अभिजीत गौतम.
Yes.
Vibhor Gujarati. Samarjit Gandhi. Sudha Purohit. Sachin Dhotre. Jasdeep Sethi. Prashant Mulwade. Last but not the least. Yeah, I am more. Thank you for reminding me. Yeah. Okay, so I express my apology. Okay. Then Mahendra Paraskar. Hello. Ashish Tare. Wow. Atul Domne. Manoj Lohiya. Shrikant Goenka. Manoj Agrawal. Abhay Parekh. Hemant Anandani. Amit Murarka. Syed Ayaz. Ashfaq. Naresh Raju. I guess no names are missing. Your name, Anand Thakur. Your name is Anand Thakur. Harvinder, give him a great applause. Okay. I thank both the asses, Sachin and Sharad, for giving me the opportunity. Come here and see. Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies are never called gentle because they are born gentle. Okay, thought for the day. It is just in 2 lines, but I'll say 4 lines. In school, we used to think, standing at the foot, gazing at the sky, how can you rise up if you never try? And at present, I say, heights by great men reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight. They, while the companions slept, were toiling upward in the night. Thank you.
A special thanks to Sharad and his team for inviting for this grand reunion, as I am the first. So therefore I am thanking all the team and I request them to organize every 6 months. At least every year.
दे.
Okay.
Okay, and that money won't be refundable.
Okay, myself Lata Tolani and now Mrs. Kajal Sukhwani. I'm in Jalgaon working as a coordinator and teaching economics and English, and I have a kid of 14 years. He's in 9th standard and I'm happily married in Jalgaon. Thank you.
Good morning, friends.
Morning.
Myself Swapnil Deshmukh. I am currently based at Nagpur. I work with Siram Transport Finance Company Limited, and I am having 2 kids. One is in nursery and one is 1 year old.
Very good.
Hello everyone. Before giving an intro about myself, I would just like to speak few words about the team who has coordinated and invited all of us, who have made this GT possible, and without Sharad, Sachin and few of them, really it was not possible. So I'm really thankful to all those, and I want a round of applause to give to all. Okay, myself Paramjit or Meenu, most of them know by Meenu now. So I'm from Bangalore, married there from past 15 years. I have 1 kid who is 10 years old. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Vishal Bora. I have done chartered accountancy, currently working in Mumbai in Barclays Investment Bank as the head of compliance. I am married with 2 children. 2 boys. 1 marriage, 2 children. The elder son is 10 years, younger one is 5 years old. And
Thank you.
in terms of school memory, I think we were in 10th or 9th.
I wasn't at your school.
Christmas vacations ke pehle, I think, there was this, we used to have those celebrations and
Santa Claus को मारा था तूने?
Baliram bhaiya. नहीं वो तो था. I think we had put crackers. अगरबत्ती लगाई थी. और अगरबत्ती में 2 बम लगाए. It was not me but a group of all friends. So पहला बम, of course. So पहला बम फूटा. So everybody was like, मेरे पिंटो, who did that, and everybody was awestruck. और थोड़ा हंस रहे थे, मतलब बहुत मुश्किल से. और 5 मिनट बाद दूसरी अगरबत्ती 5 मिनट बाद लगाई थी, तो 5 मिनट बाद बम फूटने वाला था. और 5 मिनट बाद दूसरा फूटा. And everybody busted out. और उसके बाद में I know if somebody knows, we got a huge punishment for that. So thanks everybody, Sharad, Sachin, all the team for organizing this together, and God bless all. Thank you.
Hi friends, myself Ravindra Kishwani. मैं अपोला में ही हूँ और उंगली का कारखाना है मेरा. गोल्ड फिंगर. मेरे को 2 लड़की है और एक 8th स्टैंडर्ड में और एक 2nd स्टैंडर्ड में. शादी
Myself Tarundeep Kalra.
हिंदी.
WhatsApp पे मैसेज आ रही है.
I'm having 3 kids. I'm married from past 19 years. And I'm a housewife.
Hello everyone. Okay, I'm पहली बार स्टेज पे आया. Myself Sanket Patel. Presently managing my home business of construction. Having 2 kids. One is 6 years old, daughter, and second one is 1.5 years. And memories to share.
She was on the call, yeah.
Okay. Memories. मुझे जब तक याद है तो एक किस्सा हुआ था, अपनी रिपोर्ट्स कुछ चोरी हो गए थे स्कूल से. I remember the
staying nearby only. And in second standard, I took, I think, Minu in Nehru Park. And both the families were searching, and there was a police complaint. फिर finally हम लोग पार्क में मिले.
पहुंचे कैसे पार्क से? रास्ता पता था?
सजा क्या मिली? सजा क्या मिली?
याद नहीं. And I have a daughter who is 10 years old.
Myself, Parmita Kaur Janeja. Now I am Pooja Monga. And I got married in Pune. And I'm having 2 kids. One, he is of 15 years. 2 boys. One is of 15 years. And the younger one, he is of 10 years. And I'm of 15 years.
And the younger one?
10 years.
समझता है ना?
Yeah, yeah, sure. आनंद में इतनी भी डर नहीं थी, हाँ? चीटिंग कर करके पास हो गई यार. मेरे हस्बैंड को मुझे बोलने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. तो मुझे समझ गई. So I'm having my own boutique.
चिट्ठी निकालेगा, चिट्ठी निकालेगा.
चिट्ठी निकालने की जरूरत नहीं. मेरे हस्बैंड ने एक्चुअली मैंने बोला भी नहीं कि यार मैं चीटिंग करके पास हो गई. वो मेरे को देख के समझ गए. बोले कि तू तो पक्का चीटिंग करके पास हो गई. यार बोलती कैसे?
उसने ऐसा नहीं बोला मेरे साथ ही चिट्ठी हो गई.
ऐसा नहीं होगा. बिल्कुल सही यार.
Hi friends, my name is Sachin Viktor.
सचिन वहाँ की इंग्लिश बोल चल.
अच्छा वहाँ की होली क्रॉस की.
नहीं वहाँ की.
अरे वहाँ की उसमें कुछ फर्क नहीं है यार.
एक्सेंट किया, हमको एक्सेंट किया.
I would like to thank Sharad and his team for giving us an opportunity to cherish their old memories. I would really like to thank him and also for adjusting the date for me. I have a 6-year-old daughter. Her name is Samia, and I think so. I really like to enjoy these 2 days and maybe spend most of the time with you all. And thanks for that.
अमेरिका घूम लिए हम लोग लंदन भाग गए.
स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर चाहिए.
सुमेर इंग्ले को मरा इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल सकते तो हिंदी में बोलो सुमेर इंग्ले. I am working in Sanjeev Engineering College as an associate professor in mechanical engineering department from last 14 years. It is near to Shirdi. All of you are invited for Shirdi. You can come to Shirdi. First of all, you have to come to Kopargaon because I am there in Kopargaon. Then we can go for Shirdi. I am feeling somewhat bachelor, somewhat more what married bachelor. Okay.
अब लड़की नहीं मिलेंगे वहाँ.
For one day, I am feeling bachelor for one day only. Okay. We कल और join होना है. I am having one kid of 4.6 years. कैंपस में नीम का झाड़ है. अभी भी है. So I was standing there with my papa and पल्लवी वहाँ पे आई and she says सुबह. तो मैं क्या हो गया पूरा झाड़ के पीछे जाके.
तो अभी क्यों चुप रहा है यार?
So what happened was मैं बहुत शाही था और वो जो इवेंट लेके फिर पापा ने घर पे बताया और फिर वो इवेंट लेके मुझे सब लोगों ने चिढ़ाया और जब भी चिढ़ाते थे तो मुझे गुस्सा आता लेकिन अभी गुस्सा नहीं आता.
Hello everyone, myself Sandeep Kakar. I am working in ACC Cement since 9 years. I am presently posted at Amravati. I have my family at Nagpur wife with 2 kids.
What about
There are special arrangements for Amravati. बड़ा लड़का 9 साल का है, पृथ्वीराज. दूसरा लड़का 5 साल का है, his name is हर्षवर्धन.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Amit Rathi, I am in Pune. West. Pune East, sorry. East में मैं हूँ. I'm blessed with 2 children, and which implies I am married. And my wife is actually married. And regarding school memory, I remember Sachin Dhotre. We used to go morning 6 to 7 Tiwari sir's tuition. So every time someone from Tiwari sir's house used to pass the चाय जब पास होती थी वो स्टूडेंट से पास होती थी. ओके, सचिन धोत्रे कितनी बार बीच में गुड पास सचिन आई थिंक वंस ही वाज कॉट 5 बार तो हमने देखे हुआ याद है. थैंक यू.
Hello friends, good to see all of you here. A big thank you to Sharad and his team for arranging all this and putting so much of effort to getting us all close after so many of years. I am based at Bangalore. I am the MD of our family business and doing very well with one daughter who is 12 years old. And I hope everybody enjoys her really well and cherish the memories for lifelong. Thank you everyone.
Rahul Gadkari. I left the school in 8th standard, so most of you might not know me, but I still consider this as my school because for most of my school memories are based in the picture that is behind us, and you might not recognize it at all, but the reason why we are here is because of the root, and it's the root, the picture that is behind us, it is the root of us. So all our cherished memories are in that thing. I thank the organizing committee to organize this thing. I think I got invited myself just because I wanted to be here. And this last 6 hours also. हाँ वो पता है.
Hello. I would like to add people like Rahul. You have boosted me so much कि मैं हर किसी को कॉल करता था. I always remember यार Rahul Gadkari always self volunteered एकदम. उसको मुझे कभी force नहीं करना पड़ा. Every time every message any help पुणे से कुछ करूँ any help पुणे. I always thought यार मैं Rahul Gadkari को remember नहीं करता हूँ और वो इतनी सारी help offer कर रहा है. We feel privileged for people like you, because of people like you.
The reason is I have changed 4 schools in my life. So kindergarten was somewhere else, 1st to 2nd was somewhere else, 3rd to 8th, which was the main core period, was in Holy Cross. 9th to 10th was in Nagpur. College was somewhere different. I'm working somewhere else. So. No, wife is from Goa actually. So I'm born and brought up in Akola. My wife is from Goa. Whoa. So it has been a kind of a mixed bag for us, but this is where it all ends up. So thanks a lot everyone. And this event for last 6 hours or so, it brings back all those memories which somehow have been lost. So when I see your face, I don't remember a name. So I seriously don't remember a name. But then somewhere it clicks. इसको कहीं तो देखा.
Right click.
Myself, Sachin Bule, residence is near 24 kilometers from Akola, Chautta Bajar, working as general practitioner there. I have one child. She is 6 years old.